As part of their ongoing awareness program on menstrual cycle, hygiene and dispelling taboo beliefs, the NGO JCI Kamrup Elite visited Shillong Balika Vidyalaya Secondary School today. This initiative under the theme Let's Make a Difference aimed to educate and empower young girls. A team of doctors and health professionals from JCI Kamrup Elite conducted informative session for the students. While speaking, Dr. Mobika said that many awareness programs have been conducted, but menstruation is the first time, as it's still a taboo in the society.
Organized a program by the JCI Kamrup Elite NGO. It was regarding the menstrual cycles. We came here to for the awareness of the menstruation, which is a very normal process, which is still a taboo in the society. So it was a good interactive session. I hope everyone understood. And I just wanted to add one line. सही मासिक इंतजाम हो, सही सही सब काम हो, पढ़ना लिखना आगे बढ़ना, कभी ना रुकना ठान लो. This is for all the girls out there.
Riding